Alright, now we're going to try and find a more complicated grammar. So here's my language. It's the set G, A to the N, B to the N, C, 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 D to the M, E, E, F to the M, let's make it F to the m+1, and then a G, G, G down here, such that N and M are natural numbers. Okay, so again, what I want to do is kind of split this into individual pieces. The first thing I need to notice is that I have some interdependent pieces here, right? So the number of A's and B's here have to be the same. The number of D's and F's here have to be almost the same. We have to have one more F than we have D's, right? So I'm going to split those guys off as their own kind of segment, and then the other pieces I'll make into a segment. So here's some segments. So let's call this one capital A, this one capital B. I hate using the letter capital C as a non-terminal, so we'll use D just because it's hard to distinguish it from a lowercase c. Here's my capital E piece, and here's my capital F piece. So I'm going to say that my start symbol goes to A, B, D, E, F. And then let's just break down the different pieces. A is easy. A is just going to go to the letter G. B is going to one of these A to the N, B to the N's, so we need to grow it out from the middle. So we're going to say A goes to little a, big B, little b, or a lambda. My D part is really easy, right? My D part is just 3 C's in a row. Now my E part is a little bit complicated. Let's come back to E in a minute, and let's just work on F, because F is so easy, and it doesn't really matter what order we do them in as long as we make sure we do them all. F is just going to go to G, 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 right? So now we just need to deal with this E part. So let's see. So the E part is this D to the M, E, E, F to the m+1. And the thing to notice about this is that D to the M, let's just put a little box around here. D to the M, E, E, F to the m+1, oops, F to the m+1 is just the same as D to the M, E, E, and F, followed by F to the M, right? And it's useful to have the number of D's and F's be the same, because then we can grow it out again. So what we're going to do is, what letter were we using? We're using E for that. So E, we'll start by just doing the kind of grow it out from the outside bit. So E is going to go to a D on this side, a capital E, and an F. And it's going to do that, or once we finish having as many D's and F's as we want, we're going to grow it into, let's call this G, this piece. So it's going to go to that or G, and now we need to deal with G. Well, what does G go to? Oh, well, that's actually pretty easy. G just goes to E, E, F. All right? So my grammar for this hideous language here is just this whole big thing here. There's my grammar. All done. Not too bad, huh?